Good morning, children. Welcome to English virtual class. Take out your English reader book. In English reader book, today we will do the Unit 2 books. In this unit, you had already done the section A, and today we will read the story of section B, The Boy Who Borrowed. Before that, I want to know your hobbies, like reading, playing, cycling, drawing, etc. It gives us happiness. The story of the lesson The Boy Who Borrowed revolves around Benny. Benny loved books and he wanted a book that went forever. He loved the book so much, he loved the reading so much. He had only 8 books, which he used to get on Christmas time only. But he had not enough money to buy the books. So he borrowed the books from his friends and library. He borrowed The Island of Adventure from Bill, The Secret Sam from Mary, 5 on a Treasure Island from Henry, 2 nature books from John. Benny always forgot to return them. In this way, he collected a lot of books. When he saw his bookcase is gradually filling up with books, he could not bear to return them. When his friends asked them to return books, Benny pretended that he had not got that. He was the most dishonest boy. He did not only borrow books, he borrowed other things also, such as a ball from Eric, jigsaw from Kenneth, a pen from Lucy, and a new rubber from Ellie. The children got angry. Benny heard the voices of books one night in his dream, that books wanted to return to their owners. As he did not treat the books properly, he had turned some of its pages down to mark his place. The books left the house. The books tumbled helter-skelter down the stairs. They went into the little room of hall and left the house through the open window. Benny got panicked. He woke up all of a sudden. He told his mother about his strange dream. Then he went to the room where he kept the books. He found his bookshelf empty except his own books. Now he was sure that it had been a dream. It had not been a dream. It was real. Books made Benny feel ashamed. Benny collected Eric's ball, Lucy's pen, Kenneth's jigsaw, and Ellen's rubber and returned them. The children were surprised. They thanked him, but very much surprised when Benny returned them their things. They thought that he had meant to keep the things forever. Benny also promised to borrow books only if he returned them quickly. So this is the story written by Annette Blyton. Now children, you have to do the difficult words. You have to write the difficult words in your English reader copy. In the previous videos, we told you that you have to maintain English copy, single line copy, use the blue gel pen only, and first you write the date, name of the chapter, and then write the difficult words in small letters. Here are the words: enough, forever, borrowed, gradually, pretend, dishonest, peculiar, horrid, gracious, jostling, eager, trembling, queer, temper, stare. On the next page, you will write the word meaning. Gradually means slowly, very slowly. Jostling, shaking. Horrid, horrible. Eager, keen. Queer, straight. So children, be careful about your handwriting also. It should be very beautiful. That's all for today. Thank you.